Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Integration doesn't have to be scary if you break it down. We are solving this sum quickly by splitting the terms into two simple parts. First, we use the sum rule to split this integral into two separate pieces. We pull the constant 1/2 out of the first part to make it easier to solve. The integral of 1 over x is simply the natural log of the absolute value of x. Multiplying by our constant gives us 1/2 times the natural log of x. Next, integrate 2 to the power of x. Remember that exponential functions require dividing by the natural log of the base, which is 2. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush, trust given values, and check your steps.